Hey everyone, I just got my monthly meat box and I wanted to open it up and show everyone what's inside and why I'm such a big fan of Buck Creek meats. It is really an incredible value. It is no hormones, no pesticides, no antibiotics, all grass fed, all grass finished. It's really amazing. So this is my second box. Every time you get it, you'll get it packaged in a box. It'll come FedEx. It's there quick. And open it up. Keeps everything nice and cold. So let's see what I got this month. I got some pork belly sliced. Yum. Beef tenderloin steak. Awesome. Another beef tenderloin. Oh man. Beef rib steak bone in. Man, that is awesome. That's probably a $50 to $75 cut of meat by itself. Another steak. Ooh, man, they're nice to me this month. Ground beef. Awesome. Perfect for the summertime. Ooh, all right. Beef chuck roast. Now that is a piece of meat right there, 3 pounds. Woo. And some more ground beef. So great haul. Overall, not as much weight as last month, but when you think about the quality of probably these two steaks alone, you're talking about $100. So, you know, for my $150 meat box, great month. Can't complain. Quality is amazing. Thanks, Buck Creek.